Hey there YouTubers, JB Coins here with yet another special video, the week of specials it seems like. This is a package that we got from Silverpicker. We've been talking for a while about doing a collaboration between the two of us. He sent us a box of coins to go through to look for errors and varieties and potentially any high grade coins, and go over that with you. And then we're going to send him something, and we'll talk about that later. But we're going to open this and see what we got. I kind of have an idea of what it is, but not entirely. So try and tear this open. Okay, get that out of the way. Definitely package this up good so it wouldn't get damaged in the mail. And I'm really interested to see this because I've never ordered this way. It's a bag of 1999 Connecticut Quarters, Philadelphia, from the mint, and still sewn together. So I'm not even sure how to open this thing. I think I'm gonna have to get a scissors or something. So hold on a second. For you guys that buy these on a regular basis, you're probably gonna be telling me I'm doing it wrong, but like I said, I've never bought a bag like this. I've always wanted to, but never have. The fact that it's a 1999 is really cool. There we go. A little more here. And the 99 Connecticut's, if you check our list, they're known for, wow, they're actually just loose in here, so I have to be kind of gentle dumping these out on the table. They're not in a roll. Wow. I mean, those things are uncirculated, as you can see, from the mint. Been in this bag since 1999. That's cool. That is very cool. Thanks for sending us that. That's really cool. So $25 face value. I mean, these coins are gorgeous. And I'm supposed to find varieties and errors in these. But also potentially gradable high value coins, which, God, they're gorgeous. The known errors that I know about anyway, that are on our list, some of them are on our list, some we have to add. There's a double die reverse. There's a rotated reverse where when you turn it over, instead of it being this configuration, it's it's anywhere from there to there. The correct rotation obviously is head to upright. So upright to upright. So the other errors that are known in here are off-center strikes, which can occur on any coin, not just these. Also, 1999 was known for a couple things. Missing clad layers, where you have this image, but it's missing this upper clad layer, and you wind up seeing the copper layer in the center. There's a few that have been stamped on the wrong planchet. They used the planchet from the Sacagawea dollar. Those are extremely rare. I think there's maybe 6 or 10 known. But there's also a brockage. There's also the rotated reverse, which we showed you. So Silverpicker and I, like I said, we've been talking about this for a while and trying to figure out what to do, how to do it, that kind of thing. He is making videos. He makes great videos. You need to go over and check out Silverpicker's channel and subscribe to him. He's got some really great content on. Mainly what he does is that I'm impressed with, really, is he goes to garage sales, estate sales. He has found a way to talk to people at them where they may not have a coin collection that's out on display. He had one video about that, and he wound up scoring like an entire Morgan set, every Morgan dollar made, and a bunch of gold and a bunch of other stuff. And then recently, oh God, I don't want to drop these. Recently he did a video on, actually not too long ago, scoring a $5,000 score on Craigslist. So, I mean, he actually has videos on how to find stuff in unconventional ways, you know, and he talks about bullion and history of coins like we do, kind of. But I think the coolest thing about what he does is his ability to go to these different places and find. Hey guys, here's the wrap. The large pile you see here down the right side of the table, we all know they're BU coins by definition. They're brilliant uncirculated because they came out of a mint bag. They have not been circulated, and they're in brilliant lustrous condition. But they all have bag marks or some defect, unfortunately, on one side or the other because they are not perfect. They would not grade out. Then we have some interesting coins over here that we have 4 coins out of the entire bag that are, the best that I can tell, do not have any flaws or defects on them. I looked at them with our 5-power ESCHENBACH magnifier, and I looked at them under the microscope, which with my vision gives me an effective 10 power. I can't find any defects or any bag marks on these coins. So what we're going to do with these 4 is just put them in our cardboard 2x2s. We're going to mark them as brilliant uncirculated from mint bag, and we're going to put them away. The next 3 are kind of interesting. This one has a die chip in the top half of the B, and if my sweetie can zoom in for this one, we may or may not be able to see it. Right in there, you can see it's dark, but basically the top half of the B is filled in with a huge die chip that's sticking up out of the letter. It's the only thing really on this side of the coin, other than you can see some indication of a possible weak strike here where it's got a little bit of a halo effect to it. The next one up here is a reverse weak strike, and you can see it most prominently in the word Connecticut, which is almost not there. And then above that we have the opposite. We have the obverse, which is an obverse weak strike. United is very faint, very flat, and also over here in America, you can see the A and the M and the E are just about not there and are very flat. So it's a very, it's either struck through grease or it's a very weak strike on both of those coins, and they're both predominantly around the perimeter. The center of the coins are struck pretty well, but the lettering around the perimeter is just, just not there. These we're going to have to clip on the little magnifier thing to show you. Okay, so you can see that crack, and unfortunately the light is a little dark right now. You can see the crack from the ribbon that progresses through the neck. There's some die chips there, and then it progresses between the T and the E to the rim. And then here on the next coin, you see the same thing. It's a little bit thicker. You see the next coin, it's getting thicker. The next coin, same thing. Okay guys, and we saved the best for last here, I guess. Although I kind of like the die crack myself better. These are what are known errors that are listed for doubling. What I wanted to show you was we found two that in the name Charter, the Charter Oak, the first three letters, CHA in Charter, are doubled on the right side of the letter. They all are to the right of the letter. This large, there's 24 of them here. And this is why they're so common. If you look them up on eBay, you can see they don't have a lot of value in terms of what people are selling them for. They're fairly common. These are CHAR, so it's still not quite the full word. It is doubling, but it has been accredited apparently as a variety. And CHAR is on all 24 of these coins out of a bag of 100 coins. So that's a pretty high rate. And then the last one is the first letter of the word the. So the T and then CHAR from Charter. So the way it's written, it's the Charter Oak. So the T and the CHAR are doubled to the right. But anyway, that's what we found. And so we'd like to thank Silverpicker, obviously, for sending us these coins and doing this collaboration with us. And Doug Deutsch, one of our subscribers, for suggesting the video or a collaboration video be done. Don't forget, we've got on our playlists, if you haven't noticed, we have a specific playlist for videos that were suggested by you guys, that you can go to that playlist, and it's called Viewer Suggested Playlist. We're real creative. And there's videos already in there that we have done from ideas you guys sent in from a contest we did a while ago for a giveaway. And we actually have a couple more coming up in the next couple of days, so there'll be more and more and more videos added to that viewer suggested playlist. We would love for you guys, we would love to hear from you guys in the comments section down below about this video and the collaboration, and would you like to see more collaborations, and what type of collaborations possibly. That would be great. We really would appreciate that and enjoy that. And lastly, if you want to see what we send to Silverpicker for him as his part of this to analyze something we send him, then you need to check out his channel and leave him a comment when you see it, telling him that we sent you to his channel to check it out, and leave him some comment. And he's very interesting to watch. So other than that, guys, as always, please continue to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, we've got the silver giveaway at 25,000 subs. We've got the gold giveaway at 50,000 subs by Christmas this year. Comments are always appreciated. And until next time, hope you guys enjoyed it. J&B signing out.